Freddie the Fearless Flying Fox. Stories to support your English language by English with Miss Julia. High in a lush rainforest lived a young flying fox named Freddie. His enormous wings stretched gracefully across the evening sky. Unlike many other animals, Freddie loved the darkness because it brought exciting adventures. He believed every night offered an opportunity to discover something extraordinary. As the sun disappeared behind the distant hills, Freddie prepared for another journey. He carefully cleaned his soft fur and unfolded his impressive wings. The cool breeze carried the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. Freddie smiled because nighttime was finally beginning. Freddie launched himself from the tallest eucalyptus tree. He glided effortlessly above the forest canopy with remarkable elegance. The stars sparkled like tiny diamonds across the sky. Everything below seemed peaceful and magical. While flying, Freddie noticed hundreds of colorful blossoms opening. They released delicious nectar that attracted many flying creatures. Freddie gently landed beside one enormous flower. He carefully drank the sweet liquid without damaging the petals. Nearby, a tiny sugar glider greeted Freddie warmly. The cheerful animal admired Freddie's magnificent wings. Together they discussed the different flowers that bloomed after sunset. Both enjoyed exchanging interesting discoveries. As they continued exploring, they heard an unfamiliar sound. The mysterious noise echoed through the quiet forest. Freddie remained calm despite feeling slightly anxious. His curiosity encouraged him to investigate. Following the unusual sound, Freddie discovered a frightened baby owl. The little owl had accidentally fallen from a low branch. Its family could not hear its tiny calls for help. Freddie immediately offered assistance. Freddie gently lifted the owl using his strong claws. He flew carefully toward the nearest tall tree. Soon they located the owl's grateful parents. The reunited family thanked Freddie sincerely. The grateful owls explained how important kindness was. They believed every helpful action strengthened the entire forest. Freddie appreciated their thoughtful advice. He promised always to help others whenever possible. Later that evening, Freddie crossed a sparkling river. Its smooth surface reflected the glowing moon perfectly. Schools of fish occasionally jumped into the cool air. The peaceful scenery filled Freddie with admiration. Suddenly, dark clouds gathered across the horizon. Strong winds began pushing against Freddie's broad wings. Instead of panicking, he concentrated carefully. His confidence helped him remain steady. The storm became increasingly powerful. Heavy rain reduced Freddie's visibility considerably. Fortunately, he spotted a hollow tree. It provided safe shelter until the storm passed. Inside the hollow tree lived an elderly possum. The wise possum welcomed Freddie kindly. He explained that patience often solved difficult situations. Freddie listened attentively to every word. The possum shared fascinating stories from his youth. He described incredible journeys across distant forests. Freddie imagined those exciting adventures vividly. His dream of exploring grew even stronger. If you are enjoying the story thus far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel so that you may be notified of our next story. As Freddie continued flying, he discovered an enormous fig tree. Its branches were overflowing with ripe fruit. Many flying foxes had already gathered there. The tree became a joyful meeting place. Freddie enjoyed sharing fruit with younger flying foxes. He encouraged everyone to eat peacefully together. Generosity made every meal more enjoyable. The young bats admired his thoughtful attitude. An experienced flying fox noticed Freddie's leadership. She explained that true leaders always protect others. They lead through compassion instead of fear. Freddie carefully remembered her valuable lesson. That evening, Freddie spotted unusual lights below. Fireflies danced through the forest like floating lanterns. Their gentle glow illuminated the surrounding trees. The breathtaking display left Freddie speechless. Freddie quickly followed the glowing insects. They guided him toward a hidden waterfall. Crystal clear water cascaded over smooth rocks. The peaceful sound relaxed everyone nearby. Several forest animals gathered around the waterfall. They shared stories about their daily adventures. Each animal respected the other's experiences. Friendship united the entire community. A curious koala asked Freddie many questions. He wanted to understand how flying foxes traveled such great distances. Freddie happily explained the importance of strong wings and careful navigation. The koala listened with great fascination. As midnight approached, the forest became quieter. Only gentle rustling leaves interrupted the silence. Freddie appreciated these peaceful moments. They allowed him to reflect upon everything he had learned. While returning home, Freddie noticed several flowers producing fresh fruit. He realized that flying foxes helped forests grow. By spreading seeds, they created new trees. Freddie felt proud of his important role. The following evening, Freddie organized a nighttime journey for young bats. He wanted them to discover the rainforest safely. Everyone stayed together throughout the adventure. Confidence grew with every kilometer they traveled. Along the journey, Freddie demonstrated how to avoid dangerous branches. He also explained how to recognize safe resting places. The young bats copied his movements carefully. Practice improved their flying abilities. Suddenly, one young bat became separated from the group. Freddie immediately searched the surrounding trees. He called calmly instead of becoming frightened. Soon the little bat answered. Freddie located the young bat beside a flowering vine. The frightened youngster had become confused. Freddie reassured him with encouraging words. Together they safely returned to the others. Everyone praised Freddie's calm decision-making. He explained that staying calm helped people solve problems. Fear often disappeared when replaced with careful thinking. The younger bats nodded in agreement. As dawn slowly approached, colorful light filled the horizon. The forest awakened with cheerful birdsong. Freddie admired the spectacular sunrise. Every adventure ended with beautiful memories. Freddie returned to his favorite eucalyptus tree. He wrapped his wings comfortably around himself. Before sleeping, he remembered everyone he had met. Each friendship had made him wiser. During the following weeks, Freddie became well known throughout the forest. Animals respected his courage, kindness, and wisdom. Many visited him whenever they needed advice. Freddie always listened patiently. Young flying foxes often asked Freddie how to become brave. He explained that bravery was not the absence of fear. Instead, bravery meant doing the right thing despite uncertainty. Everyone found his advice inspiring. Freddie realized that every adventure had taught an important lesson. Curiosity opened new opportunities. Kindness created lasting friendships. Learning never truly ended. As another peaceful night covered the rainforest, Freddie stretched his magnificent wings once more. He flew confidently beneath the glittering stars with hope in his heart. The forest remained full of endless mysteries waiting to be explored, and Freddie, the fearless flying fox, knew that every new flight would bring another wonderful adventure. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may assist learners from all over the world with their learning of the English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next story.